I get asked the question all the time, if I want to become a successful real estate investor, should I get my real estate license? Well, pay attention because my answer might shock you. There are so many myths about becoming a real estate investor. You need to have lots of money and connections and good credit, know a ton about construction, or the biggest myth of them all is that you have to have your real estate license in order to flip houses. Well, my friends, this simply just isn't true. You do not need to have money, good credit, a real estate license in order to become a successful real estate investor. And most of you guys know my story, but when I first got into the business, I focused on a real estate investing strategy called wholesaling. So each day I would go out and I would source the best deeply discounted real estate deals, and I would serve those deals up on a silver platter to landlords and rehabbers in town, and I would get paid a nice matchmaker fee for putting the deals together. Did I need a real estate license to legally do this? The answer is no. You can legally flip contracts as long as you have the right paperwork. And even though I was doing this without a license, I realized about a year or two into the business that if I was gonna really maximize my abilities to make money from every single angle of a real estate transaction, that getting my license might be a good idea. So I went to real estate school, I got my license. You see, having your real estate license gives you the ability to gain access to the MLS, otherwise known as the multiple listing system. And this is the system where all the other real estate agents in town, they list their clients' properties for sale. Now, this made my ability to do market research, run comps, make offers on MLS properties so much easier. I wasn't always having to call my power team members for help. Plus, I knew that there was always going to be some good deals on the MLS, and having the ability to call another listing agent, talk agent to agent, it made it so much easier to get the real scoop on a deal. And lastly, I knew that I could save money on my own listings if I wanted to list one of my rehabs for sale, and if I ever wanted to list or buy a property for a friend or a family member or some of my clients, I can earn a nice commission as well. So overall, having my real estate license, it made a ton of sense. I made a lot more money, and it saved me a ton of time because I could just quickly move in and out of transactions without having to wait on anybody else. Now, with that said, I think it's important to talk about the downsides. Number one, it can be expensive. Just going through school, paying all your fees and your dues, it can cost $2,000 to $3,000 to get up and running, plus a few $1,000s a year. Number two, having your real estate license, you have to hang it with the broker, and they have to understand wholesaling and creative real estate investing. Otherwise, they might get frustrated at you for not focusing on deals, traditional deals where they can earn a commission split. Number three, you're gonna have much stricter ethical and disclosure rules, which could slow you down and prevent you from going after certain deals, and you could potentially get in trouble if you screw it up. So anywho, I got my license after I had it for about 5 years. I finally stopped paying my dues because as I grew my investing business, a couple of my other team members had their license, and we didn't all need to be licensed because I already got the perks of having a license. Right now, my partner's actually licensed, which is awesome because he gets to deal with all the fun stuff, like continuing education classes and dealing with your broker and all the disclosures and having to share things with your broker all the time. But I still get the MLS perks and everything else that comes along with that. Truth be told, I'd probably still be licensed if I was doing more traditional agent stuff, but after Clever Investor took off and I started focusing on my YouTube and my other social and my real estate investing business and everything else that I wanted to focus in on dominate, then the thing that I didn't have as much passion for got the boot, which was traditional licensing stuff. So if you were to ask me, should I get my license? I would say yes, as long as you disclose everything properly and you really try to maximize the benefits from both the traditional agent stuff and the creative investing stuff. Otherwise, focus on getting just an investor-friendly real estate agent on your power team to help you with getting access to the MLS. All right, I hope this helped you. Share your thoughts down below by leaving me a comment. And until next video, I'm Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, signing off for now. Take care, comb your hair, Sperber out. Hey, listen, while you're here, right after you subscribe to my channel, go ahead and grab my free book, How to Flip Houses with Little to No Money Down, by clicking the link down below in the description. It's my gift to you, and it's a step-by-step guide on how I got started in real estate and how you can too. Hope it helps.